everyone, thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be a new makeup haul. I have a couple items here from both Sephora and Ulta that I've purchased recently and wanted to share with you guys. I'm also so excited for today's video because I get to work with Ebates on this video, and I love Ebates so much, so I am so excited to do this haul with them. If you guys are not familiar with Ebates, if you've not heard me or anybody else talk about Ebates, it is such a good site, especially if you are a deal chaser like me. With Ebates, what happens if you're going to be shopping online? So when I'm making a purchase from Sephora, I just go to Ebates first. I find the Sephora store, click on it, it takes me right to the Sephora website, and I check out like normal. There's no codes I need to put in, there's nothing else that you need to do. Ebates is a free website. That's it. You click on the store, you shop like normal, and then you get a cashback percentage of your purchases into your Ebates account. So you just get money back for buying what you were gonna buy in the first place. I mean, I think it's incredible. I've been using Ebates for years. I've been recommending them for years, so I am so excited that they are sponsoring today's video and they wanted to work with me. It just makes me so excited. I can't even tell you. So I will have my link to Ebates down below if you are not yet signed up. Like I said, it is a free website. There's nothing else you need to do. There's no other hoops that you need to jump through or anything like that. It's just super simple, super straightforward, and then you get money back every 3 months. You can either sign up to get a check in the mail or get the money credited to your PayPal account, which personally that is what I do, and I'm awaiting my big fat check, which is coming in February, and it's a lot. Sometimes with Ebates, it's like, you get so much back, you're like, yeah, awesome. Wow, I shopped a lot then, didn't I? Yes, I sure did. So I will have that link down below. You also do get a $10 sign up bonus if you sign up with the link, and then after you would make your first $25 purchase through Ebates, you would get a $10 welcome bonus credited to your account. So it's super easy to use. Like I said, I've been using Ebates for years, and I'm really excited to partner with them on this video. I did make my purchases through Sephora and Ulta, and I got cash back at both websites. A lot of times they offer stuff like double cash back. Like I've seen Sephora and Ulta go up to like 8%, 10% cash back, which is crazy. Whenever I see that, I get so excited, but they have so many other retailers there. They're the largest cash back website. I just made a purchase for my mom the other day from her birthday from Target, and I got cash back for that one as well, which is fantastic. So if you haven't checked out Ebates yet, I highly recommend that you do. They're also having a double cash back in preparation for Valentine's Day, so a bunch of stores are gonna have double cash back as well. So just anytime that you're gonna purchase online, just make sure you go to Ebates first. Such an easy way to get cash back off of your purchases that you're going to make anyways. So I think that it's really amazing. And like I said, I did purchase both through Sephora and Ulta for these purchases that I made today. And it's just really helpful, especially for me right now in my situation, to be able to get a little bit of a kickback on some of the purchases that I was making. So make sure to check that out. Also, Ebates is doing a giveaway with me, which has me even more excited. I am going to be giving away a $100 Sephora gift card. So make sure to check the description box as well to get entered to win that gift card. All of the rules and information will be down there. The only thing that you must be doing is having an Ebates account and then following me here on YouTube. So it's a simple giveaway, and one winner will get a $100 gift card. But if you are ready to see what I've recently picked up from Sephora and Ulta, why don't we go ahead and get started. I will say that this is not going to be the biggest haul you've ever seen in your life. You guys know I've been talking about it. My husband did lose his job about 2 weeks ago. I'm keeping a bit of a firmer hold to my budget right now, so I'm kind of limited to either gift cards or my Ulta points, and that's exactly what I did. I cashed in some Ulta points for these products, and I did actually have 2 Sephora gift cards from the holiday time actually that I've just been hanging on to, and that's what I made my purchases with these guys, and then again used my Ebates, got my cash back, which is fantastic. So from Ulta, I was really excited to get this because I saw a mini guy of it and I thought it'd be a good way to try it out because it's a bit of a more expensive product. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So I was talking about this, I think it was in my Sephora Loves List video, and I said that I really wanted to try this guy out, but I think the full size is like $42, which is pretty pricey. So I saw the mini guy, which I think is like $15 was what I paid for this one, which I didn't think was a bad price, and it's a nice way to be able to try it out. And honestly, I mean, it's a decent sized sample, especially like for a primer. I'll probably be able to get several uses out of this one. So I'm excited to try it out. It says it's a primer and moisturizer in one, and that it also has hyaluronic acid, which is super good for hydrating and giving moisture back to your skin. So I'm really excited about this one. A lot of people recommended it. When I put it in my Sephora Loves list, I had a couple different primers on there, and I felt like that was the one that everybody was talking about. So especially when I saw the mini pop up, I was like, okay, the mini, I'm gonna get you. And then the next item that I purchased is from Dose of Colors, one of my favorite brands, and this is their new lip gloss. I mentioned this in a Will I Buy It video, and I said I really did want to purchase one of the lip glosses, so I thought since I could cash in some of my points, I would go ahead and grab it because it is $17, which I do think is pricey for a lip gloss, but I still wanted to try it out. I got the shade Honey I'm Home. So let's see here. I just got my Ulta package in the mail, so I have not been able to play with anything yet. So here is what the lip gloss looks like. I actually do have a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick on today, but this one was like a beige nude, I think is how it was described. Ooh, that looks really nice. And these do look very pigmented, kind of like matches my top today. So there is what Honey I'm Home looks like. So I'm excited to try these out. I like a lot of products from Dose of Colors, so I wanted to give their lip glosses a try. And then the final item that I picked up from Ulta is from Flower Beauty. I have been so excited that Flower Beauty is coming into Ulta, and I feel like everybody has recommended this highlight palette to me. It's called the Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette, and this was $15.99, I believe. So you just have 3 different highlight shades in there. If you can see it, it's a nice and sunny day today. So you have 3 different highlight shades in there, and then it also does come with an applicator, which I probably won't use, just to be honest, but I'm very excited. I love Flower Beauty, one of my favorite brands. I was so pumped seeing them come into Ulta. Not everything that I had my eye on has come into Ulta yet. I hope a few more items pop up, like the sponge, and I really want the contour palette, mine that shattered. I do want to repurchase that one, but I feel like so many people have recommended this highlight palette, and I loved the highlight that was in my face palette from Flower Beauty, so I am so excited to pick this up. But those were the 3 items that I picked up from Ulta. And then moving over to Sephora, I had to get this one. I had to. This is from Olehenriksen. It's the Pore Balance Facial Sauna Scrub. I did try out a mini of this guy and just like absolutely raved about it. I loved that one so much, so I really wanted to pick up a full size of it. This one, I believe it was $28. It says it exfoliates, deeply purifies pores with volcanic sand, green fusion complex, neem seed oil, and AHAs. It's super cool because when you first put it on your face, it's really warm and like kind of tingly, and then I leave it sit. I usually do this in the shower. I leave it sit while like I condition my hair and whatnot, and then when I go to rinse it off, it's actually really cooling on the skin. I really enjoy this guy, and yeah, I ran out of my sample and I knew I had to get a full size. And then I got 2 lip products from Sephora. This first one here is one of the Sephora lip stains, Sephora lip cream lip stain. That's what it is. I also mentioned this in my Sephora Loves List video, and so many people said like these are so underrated, everybody needs to try these, they're so good. I think they're like $14, I want to say it was, and I picked up the shade, I think it's called Pink Tea. It says it's number 40. I'm pretty sure this was called Pink Tea, but I will have, of course, everything will be listed down below. But I'm so excited to try these, especially since putting it in my video and so many people said how amazing they were. So there is the swatch of Pink Tea from the Sephora collection. And then the other lipstick, I just really wanted to try these. I've been curious about them. This is from Fenty Beauty, and it's one of the new Mademoiselle lipsticks. And I got the shade Up to No Good. Honestly, it was between this one and Spanked, but like I have this thing where I lean towards lipsticks that have really inappropriate names. My favorite lipstick from MAC at the moment is called Age, Sex, Location. So I'm like, I can't have Age, Sex, Location, and Spanked at the same time. Like, it's just, no. Let's do Up to No Good. I watched a bunch of like swatch videos and such and tried to pick out the shade that I thought would work the best for me. So here's what the packaging looks like. Super cool, super reflective. I believe these were $18, I want to say they were. And this is what it looks like. And then it has FB kind of stamped into the actual lip product. So let me go ahead and swatch it. Okay. I don't know if this is quite what I was expecting, but there is Up to No Good. It has a bit of like a orange undertone to it, I would say. It's like a nude beige maybe is how I would describe that one. I will have to see how I like it on my lips, but I've just been really curious about these, and I've been hearing more and more people chat about them, so I thought that I could give it a try. So has anybody tried the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipsticks yet, and what do you think about it? But that was everything that I purchased from Sephora. I actually didn't even use my full amount that I had in gift cards, but I'm kind of that weird person when I have gift cards. Like I hang on to them for a really long time, and I feel like I'm worried like I was gonna spend all of my gift card and then something was gonna come out that I really want, and I would feel like too guilty buying it, so I only purchased a few things that I've like really had my eye on or really wanted to purchase, and then I'm still keeping some of my other gift card amount for in case like that next big thing comes out and I just absolutely have to have it. So those are the items that I picked up from Sephora. Again, not the biggest haul in the world, but I think a lot of you guys understand why that is right now, but I'd still been eyeing these products for a really long time between Sephora and Ulta, and I really wanted to pick them up. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this new makeup haul from me. So that is going to do it for today's video and my makeup haul from Sephora and Ulta. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing some of the products that I really wanted to pick up. Let me know if you've tried anything that I mentioned in this video and what you think about them in the comments. Don't forget to check out Ebates. I will have that linked in the description box down below. It's just so super fast and convenient. If you're someone like me who you love deals, you don't want to pay full price for things, you're always trying to get the best discount on something, don't forget to do that because it's so easy to get your cash back. And again, this week they will have lots of double cashback stores for Valentine's Day. And in case for Valentine's Day your significant others needs some ideas for you, I always think makeup is a good thing. I just like to share my loves list with people. I just send them over the loves list and I'm like, hey, anything. It's better than flowers for me. Am I right? But don't forget to check out Ebates, and a big thank you to them for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to enter into the giveaway to win a $100 Sephora gift card. All that information is in the description box as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for continuing to support, especially during this time. I cannot say how much I appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, I hope that you will give it a thumbs up. I hope that you will also consider subscribing before you go, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video.